Hey guys, got an Ender 3 3D printer. You can see, I felt like doing a review on it because I haven't seen many of them, but I've used it twice and it's done really good, so I wanted to make a review on it and tell you about it. I'm going to be 3D printing a fabric made out of 3D printer filament, and really excited to do it. So let's get into it. Hey guys, just finished the print. Really excited with it. Only problem is it did get melted on this piece that I cut off. This is not the printer's fault, this is my fault. I did not level it right, but it doesn't bend as easily as this. Really happy with it. I'm glad it is. I really like this printer because it is hands-on. You can, as you can see, when I go to this, move it yourself if you want to level it. Here I'll set to Z-axis. So it is really hands-on. And if you want to know the file, if you want to know where I got this at Thingiverse. So, really happy with the print. It is really flexible, but I'm using a gold filament. This did not take as long as some other prints have done, but really enjoy it. It's a really good printer. So, that's my review.